Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Marcus and today in this video I will share with you how to design and animate this kinetic typography using Adobe After Effects. So let's go. So let's start. First thing, let's set up our composition. I'm going to name it Kinetic Type 24. I will make it 1080 by 1080, 60 frames per second to make the animation very smooth, 10 seconds duration and press OK. Now let's select the type tool and write a letter. And let's make it with the fill black with a 2 pixel white stroke. Well, I will write the entire word. In my case will be hello, but this time we will need to write it letter by letter, so they all have individual text layers. This will make more sense in a minute. So I have H and I need to write the remaining letters. Cool, now with all the layers selected, let's go to the top menu and while holding Command or Control key, press twice on the anchor point tool. This will center align the layer's anchor point, which will be very important later. Perfect. Now for the next step, we will need to use my latest script, Orbit Path. This is a free script for the first 100 people who download it. After that, it will be just under $3. Anyway, back to the tutorial. You can install the script in your script UI folder or run it via File, Scripts and Run Scripts. Nice, the script is loaded. Now let's select all of our text layers, choose normal orbit on the script and press apply. This script will apply many expressions to your text layers and create a null object named orbit control. If we select the null object and go to the effect window, we can see 3 sliders. These sliders will control your text orbit animation, the radius, the speed and the delay. So let's add some values to them. On the radius, I'm going with something like 200. And on the speed, I'm going with something like -2. So a small detail on the speed. Negative values will make the orbit be counterclockwise, and positive values will make the orbit be clockwise. It was a way I found to make this work without adding a checkbox or something similar to control the orbit direction. And then we have a delay slider. Well, it's self-explanatory, right? I will use something like 0.5. This value will depend on how many letters you have in your word. And cool. Let's give it a little preview. And yeah, it's working. Pretty cool, right? Now let's select the text layer and go to Effects and go to Time and select Echo. And on the settings of the Echo effect, let's increase the number of copies to 64 and divide the echo time by 10 to give it a really nice definition on the trail of the text. And on the Echo operator, let's make it composite in front. Perfect. Another preview just to check it. And it's working. Now let's copy the effect and paste it into the other layers. Give it another preview to check all the layers working, and yeah, that's it. If you fancy playing with some negative space, like removing the stroke of the letters, we can just apply another effect to it. Let's select the layer and return to Effects and go to Matte and select Simple Choker and increase the value until you can't see the stroke anymore. And that's it. Now you have a very cool negative space visual. And yeah, it's pretty much ready to render, but I'm sure you want to know more about the settings of the Orbit Path script. And I will show you, of course. So let's select all the text layers, and this time let's choose figure of 8 in the script window and press apply. This will automatically update all the expression in our layers to adjust to this new visual direction. It will probably need some adjustments on the echo effect and the orbit speed, but I'm sure you get this. For now, I will just remove the echo effect and the simple choker quickly to show you all the available orbits. The ellipse orbit does this really lovely oval orbit, and the random, well, every layer is in a random orbit. And that's pretty much it for today. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Remember to like and subscribe and download the script and check my other Kinetic Type tutorials. I'm sure you're going to have great fun there. And if you want and can support this channel, you can buy me a coffee on my Buy Me a Coffee page, or become a member and get access to this tutorial working file, to this script and many others working files and scripts in my page. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, have a great day, a great life, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye bye.